Hey, what it is? Hey, get Tyson Mpshe. What the hell you live here? Yeah. To tell you, yo, check, turn it up, dude. Turn it up, turn it up. Right, you wanna fight? Talking me
so from like he's from Lagos, boy.
Yo,
turn up there.
I'm in the motherland. Chilling at the park with my homies, walking in the street, y'all know me. It's okay to stare. I know you're a bear. Let me tell you something you don't know. Let me tell you something that you fear. I pull up to the streets every time with this beer. I'm a Zulu man. Where the hell you at? Niggas wanna talk every time. Niggas wanna cut on the pot. Why you wanna pull in the pot? Why you wanna chill in the park? Then you fought. Niggas wanna talk all this cup. Even though me, I might grab another zone. What you wanna do? Who are you? Me, I hit you now with a motherfucking thunderlight. Then I come back in the middle of the night. Then I sleep again. You know why? I come to the streets every time because I'm white. I work for the FBI. If you don't know me and I, in the middle of the night, who am I? Your wife. If you don't know me, I'm sleeping with her every time. BK, talk to them. Alright. He doesn't want to talk. He has the fear. He's not ready.
I'm not doing it.
Check it. It goes like this.
When do you want to be serious?
That I'm not ready. I be in my own lane, in my own pace. I'm keeping it steady. Cause I'm just strolling. You keeping niggas steady. running out of energy.
Chill.
Shit, you can't.
Give me a chance.
Shit, nigga, don't pretend to be above me. I'm a fucking something that you wanna be. I'm grinding, buzzing like a bee. You know what? I got all the honey, I got all the money. Yeah, that's why his mama love me. Shit. Tyson Mpshe, yeah, he's back. Yeah, he's always back. He's in the past, like, hey guys, back. Tyson Mpshe, running through the streets. Running through the streets, nigga. I hope he ain't coming up to me, cause I just want silence. Yeah, he just want violence. Gangsta thug guys. Go to jail and get raped, like crying in silence. Cause you don't want him to come back. Yeah. Reflection of yourself. Facts. Me, I'm back.
Facts.
Fucking on myself again. Breaking his back.
Facts.
Some shit.
Facts.
Yeah. He's still in prison. He thought he was on probation. Yeah, they was capping him. Yeah, it's an illusion. The Matrix is real. Yeah, the Matrix is real. Shit. Nigga's still hurting. He dying. This nigga needs to heal. Check it. I keep the devil in his hole. Stop him with my foot. Kill him with my heel. Shit. Kill him with my boots. Yeah. Talk shit to me, I'ma put you in my boot. Then we take a drive and I forget about you, fuck it. Something just died in my boot. I don't really care, I hop in my next car. Yeah. 10 Rolls Races like I'm Mayweather, and I got the shots like a 2. Yeah. But I ain't gonna say that I'm better than, I'm not type to pretend. Yeah. I think it's my turn. I think so, bro. Because it's stuttering. This beat's kinda over.
It's getting colder.
It's getting colder and colder. I need a jacket. Far from over, it says getting colder, but it's actually getting hot for the man. Shit, nigga. Now, he's like a fucking fish on a bun. Yeah, I cut that one. I cut that one in space. Cut that one, go. Stop recording.
Alright, but why you don't even pause?